Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is so exciting. We are revealing all 10 of the brand new Fenty Beauty Icon lipsticks. These things are to die for. So we'll get into them in a little bit, but we're gonna go through this gorgeous component case that it comes with, how you can refill everything, the pricing, the beauty of it, the shades, the swatches, so on and so forth. But before we get into that, I'm just gonna speed through and do a little bit of our complexion just so we're ready to do all of our lip swatches, which we're not gonna really get into depth. I'll just be using products that are tried and true to me that I love. So before we get into today's reveal of the brand new Fenty Beauty lipsticks, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified every single time I post. Give this video a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. I love you. Thank you so much. But yeah, without any further ado, let's hop into today's Fenty Beauty Icon lipstick reveal. Okay, so to start things off, I went ahead and filled my brows. I used my Joa. This is the Brow Down To Me pencil. I love this pencil so much. It's so microfine in taupe. And now I primed the lids with a little bit of concealer like I always do, set it with a translucent powder, and we're gonna go really, really natural on the eyes, like soft, because we're gonna be swatching a lot of lipsticks from like nude to brown to red. There's a really wide shade range in this new line of Fenty lips. So I wanna make sure that the eyes work with it so that the lips can be the star of the show no matter what we're swatching. So the eyes are gonna be super simple. So I'm going in with the new NYX Ultimate Queen palette. I love this palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here. I believe it's number 12. This bad boy. It's like kind of a neutrally brown, not too dark. And we're just gonna blend this out in the crease. Alrighty, now that we have that blended out in our crease, I'm going to take these handy little guides that I get off Amazon because I really want to sharpen up this outer edge a bit and make a little bit of a wing just with our shadow, and this is such an easy way to do it. So let me grab another one here. Okay, now in our Queen palette again, I'm going to go in with shade 17, which is this really pretty, just dark chocolate brown, and we're going to add a little bit on the outer corners. Okay, so we place this on the outer corners, almost like a liner, and now we're going to take this right off and ooh, see that? We literally get almost a cat eye effect because of that clean look that it gives you. Now what I'm gonna do, just for a little pop of something on the eye, I'm gonna dip into this Ace Beauty Classical Paradise palette, and we're gonna go in with the shade Barley right here, which is like a gorgeous champagne shade. And we're just going with our finger to press this on the center of the lid. Okay, now that that is pressed on, I am happy with this. Like I said, I want to keep it kind of very much on the natural side because the lips are going to be the star of the show when we start swatching everything. So now I'm just going to pop on some mascara and lashes and we'll be ready to start complexion. Already I popped on some lashes. These are the Gala lashes from Kiss. I also used the mascara from Essence, the Lash Princess, and now we are going to do foundation. For foundation today, I'm gonna go in with a tried and true. I love this. It is so crease proof, just makes my skin look so airbrushed. This is the Kokie Skin Perfect HD foundation. My shade is in, I believe, 20W. So I'm gonna prime first with a little bit of the e.l.f. Mint Melt just to keep things looking nice and gripped and keep everything from creasing. Now that the foundation's on, I'm just gonna kind of rush through the rest of my complexion so we can hurry up and get to the star of this video, which is the Fenty Icon lipsticks. Alrighty guys, the complexion is done, and now we are going to talk about the star of this video, which is the new Fenty Beauty Icon lipstick. So this launch is so cool, so innovative, so unique. Okay, so to start things out, let me explain kind of how this new line works. This is the gorgeous Fenty Beauty lipstick case, and what you do is you twist the bottom here, and it pops up, pulls out, and this is your bullet. and then twist up, which you can put any of the 10 colors into the case. And if you want to switch out one of the colors, all you have to do is twist it down, pop this out of the bottom here, and then put in a new color. So let's grab, this is how it comes out of the box when you get it from the refill out of the box. Again, here's a new color, twist it down all the way, pop it right in. And then when you go ahead and put it back in the case, it clicks down, and you can literally travel with any one of your favorite colors and just swap it out of the case. It's amazing. Not only is it really awesome for travel because you can travel with your favorite lipstick and swap out the component and bring this one with you throughout the day, but the real kind of thoughtfulness behind this from the brand is that they wanted to reduce waste. So it wasn't full like lipstick packaging every single time you were done with a lipstick, and it was just really these small components, which really does eliminate waste. And it is just, in my opinion, like a travel friendly, amazing, innovative design that I am so excited about. I think is so cool. So I went ahead and swatched the first one. This one is Mother Lover. So cute, such an amazing nude. They really are one swipe coverage. They also have vitamin C and E in them, so it's gonna hydrate the lips throughout the day, as well as hyaluronic acid. But what I love most is this really unique kind of shape to the lipstick bullet, which is really good for getting clean lines when you're applying this. I love the shape of this. I've really never seen almost this like pentagon shape that they have, because it really gives you all sides to cleanly get around it. So I just think that is amazing. But yeah, so this is the first shade, Mother Lover. This is the lightest one in the shade range. And now I'm gonna go ahead, let's start the montage, and I will swatch the rest of the 9 shades for you. I mean, it truly is one swipe coverage. And that is it for today's video, you guys. All 10 shades are swatched. I genuinely do not know which shade I love the most. Like, all 10 of these are so flattering. Not only did they all work on my skin tone, but I think they are flattering for all skin tones. There is such an impressive range of nudes and reds for the palest and the darkest of skin tones. I am so in love with these. Remember that the case retails for $12 and the lipstick refills retail for $20. Everything is available February 4th on FentyBeauty.com and Sephora. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I have been sitting on this launch for a while, and I'm dying to share it with you, and I'm so excited that it's finally here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the notification bell right next to the subscription button, and you'll be notified every single time I post, as well as giving this video a thumbs up and following me on all my social media. Wherever you guys are, I hope you are happy, healthy, looking fabulous. I will see you on the next video.